I would say we're probably market leaders now in the sliding head side of things, CAD/CAM. And I mean, the benefits are, the being able to program the machines offline, get the programs ready, do different things with the channel synchronization as well. So have a play about, get the cycle time down before you actually get to the machine. Yeah, there's no machine downtime. The spindles are still turning on the last job while you're programming the next job.
MACH 2022 on the SolidCAM stand. Ben, have you had a good show?
Brilliant show. Yeah, it's been really busy this week. We've had plenty of customers on stand demos, and it's good to get out and about again and meet everybody face to face, including the partners as well. It's been great.
What are the highlights been for you?
Highlights have been sort of showing off our product, so we've been showing off the iMachining again, as always. We've got a sliding head on stand, so we've been showing off the sliding head stuff, but the big push as well has been the barrel milling and the barrel milling strategies that we've got in SolidCAM. That's been our focus.
So let's go and have a look at that, and also, has it been getting a lot of interest?
Well, definitely, yeah. We've had a lot of buzz on stand, especially about the barrel cutting stuff. Obviously, the sliding heads pulled a lot of people on as well. So, yeah, it's been a really busy few days, to be honest.
And what's so impressive about the barrel cutting strategy?
Well, the barrel cutting strategy, we've got automatic tilting in there, so you can see on the slide up there. So without any tilt, you can leave your material in the corner. With a side tilt, you get a bit closer, but we've gone a step further. We've now got side tilting with a lead lag tilt as well, which gets you right into that corner, maintaining the barrel contact on there as well.
Well, Ben, is this a perfect demo piece to illustrate that?
Yes, that's a perfect part. We did that down at MACH in their technology centre, designed the part, cut the part and did all the barrel milling.
And I mean, can you put your finger, because I'm holding it, into the, can I just put, now this is the part that you're referring to, isn't it, to get that perfect blend in a fifth axis orientation?
Definitely, yeah, getting down, so obviously we can get down with a barrel mill, but as we get down there we need to tip into that corner. As you tip though, you need to come away from there to maintain the contact point with the barrel tool.
No. Brilliant solution, really. And have you seen a lot of interest in CAD/CAM generally? Are people looking to invest? Are they looking to improve their current programming strategies?
Yes, definitely. We've got a lot of people come on stand that have got no CAD/CAM at all, and now looking to obviously get into that bit with more complex parts coming into the market.
Now, you mentioned fifth axis machining with barrel cutting. You've actually got a star sliding head machine on your stand, the ST20. What are you exhibiting and demoing on this machine tool?
So we're obviously demonstrating the capabilities of what we can do and how we can drive these type of machines. This is Star's machine. It's out of our technology centre back in Barnsley. We brought it down on stand with us this week. And we're showing off really the capability of being able to drive this machine and the complexity of these machines as well. So this is a 3-turret lathe, 3-channel, sliding head, not lathe, 3 channels, and yeah, we can drive it all. Unlimited number of channels, unlimited number of axes on there. 12 axes this machine's got, and we're fully capable of full simulation and fully programming these machines.
I mean, sliding head technology, you're really specialised in this marketplace, aren't you? Can you tell me why it's so important to be able to reduce the programming times on a sliding head machine?
Yeah, I mean, definitely we've had a lot of focus in this market recently. I would say we're probably market leaders now in the sliding head side of things, CAD/CAM. And I mean, the benefits are, the being able to program the machines offline, get the programs ready, do different things with the channel synchronization as well. So have a play about, get the cycle time down before you actually get to the machine. Yeah, there's no machine downtime. The spindles are still turning on the last job while you're programming the next job.
So lots of USPs. Thanks for giving us a review of your stand, Ben. And there you have it, the SolidCAM stand at MACH 2022. Lots of new solutions available for sliding end machinery, fifth axis machinery, and lots of cutting strategies. To find out more, contact SolidCAM UK. Thanks, Ben.
Thanks very much, Gio.